such a soothing, smooth effect. This is the USP of glide. But we live in India where, where we believe in value for money. We in nowhere in the world strong beer is sold. But in India, it is strong beer is more than 95% in the.
It is from state to state. Right? In some states 18, some states it's 21, some states it's 25. Okay, and we believe that we have to be responsible. We are beer manufacturers. We don't want to influence underage consumers at all. So all our activities will be focused on majorly in the points of consumption, which is where the legal drinking age people are. Right? Whether it is the premium off premise, whether it is the premium on premise, or even the regular.